Convergence 2019. Here again, Cohesive Technologies and Grandstream Networks, showcasing the flagship voice over IP products, and we intend to launch some new products in the coming quarter. Grandstream Networks intend to launch a new Dect series phones, DP730, a high-end Dect phone, DP722, a mid-tier, and DP752, a base station. 730 phone, as you see, has a 2.8 inch display or 2.4 inch display. It is coming with proximity sensor, accelerometer, push to talk feature, which is a unique feature you will not found in any of the Dect phones. 400 meter of coverage outdoor, 50 meter indoor, an excellent product for Dect customers. Similarly, the mid-tier, which is 722, has something very similar but with a 1.8 inch display. Backward integration with our DP750 as well. A right product for industries like education, hospitals, restaurant, constructions, where campus is big and mobility is the key requirement. I am sure with the new Dect series, Grandstream and Convergence Technologies will definitely create wave in the VoIP industry. Grandstream Networks intends to launch a PRI gateways. That was one thing we were waiting for last couple of months, or you can say a year. We were requesting Grandstream Networks to come into the PRI gateways. We are launching soon 1-port, 2-port, 4-port PRI gateways, which supports R2MFC, SS7 and PRI signaling. It supports all the codecs, as well as it has a beautiful feature for SIP-to-SIP transcoding. I'm sure with the new PRI gateways, the only thing which was missing out in Grandstream portfolio, along with Cohesive Technologies, we're going to encompass the total requirement any customer, consumer, industry or our resellers were waiting for. Thank you very much.